Kongres mentaka sengi kelapan benar bahkan Hashuwa sakatu kat ni sengi Hashuwa ban Leit mudui syakayeng kesyari High Court Halor ke Jingpyniasoh ki laingut ki MLA jongka syakaseng National People's Party lani NPP. Uhek ke MPCC ubak Vincent Pala ula kentok Halor ke Jingpynslam jong ulampang ke yang dorbat tauan ban syim ya karai Halor ke Jing ujor jong keseng bat ong baga sorkar ke Pynslam kenang ya keni kekam. Ula banjur ba ulampang udai ban ai ya karai hapo lai benai Henry ke sorkar ke lek bempatiau. Kumban syupen kenmau ki laingut ki MLA ke Kongres ke tau ba Charles Marngar uba Gabriel Waklang ba Dr. Celestine Dingdo ki Jingpyniasoh ia ladi syakaseng NPP haka basdang jong uni usnam.
See the case which are lying pending in the Speaker's court. Up to date, the Speaker has not given a decision, number one. Number two, if the Speaker he doesn't give the verdict, so we wait for normally 3 months, because normally the rules is the Speaker has to dispose the case within 3 months. If he doesn't dispose the case, then definitely we will file to the appellate court. So we are waiting for another few days, so that after 3 months of the expiry, then we'll go to the appellate court. That means the High Court or the Supreme Court.